How to make a flower pot in Minecraft. In Minecraft, crafting a flower pot is a simple process. Here's how you can make a flower pot. Ingredients *, 3 bricks. Crafting steps *1. Open the crafting table interface. If you don't have a crafting table, you need to craft one using 4 wooden planks. Arrange the planks in a 2x2 pattern in the crafting grid, leaving the center squares empty. Then, collect the crafting table. 2. Once you have the crafting table, open the crafting grid, 3x3, by right-clicking on the table. 3. Place the 3 bricks in a V shape in the crafting grid. You should place 1 brick in the bottom center slot, 1 in the center slot, and 1 in the top center slot. B represents a brick. 4. Once you've arranged the bricks as described, the flower pot will appear as the crafted item in the result box. 5. Drag the flower pot from the crafting table to your inventory. Now you have a flower pot that you can use to decorate your Minecraft world. Flower pots can hold various plants and flowers, adding a touch of nature to your builds. To place a plant in the flower pot, simply right-click or tap on the pot with the plant or flower in your hand.